Deep is always tough. I think I played really well today. I mean, if I'm hitting my backhand well, it's a good day. So from the start, I was hitting it pretty clean, and so he had a tough one. But yeah, I played well. I took care of it. Good.
So we should see you back here next year defending your title.
Hopefully, if the timing works out and I can make it work, I would love to play again. It was a great weekend.
I like this tournament. Um, it's I played some good tennis this week, and so I'm happy with the way I played. Unfortunately, I ran up into a very hot player. Randy, he played very well today. I couldn't do much, and he played flawless in the final. But overall, I played some good matches leading up to the finals, and I'm happy with my performance. You did up this point.